Welcome to Ideas with B, where people share their interesting business projects. I'm B, and if I like your business idea, we can work together. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Silence. Silence. Shout. App. Sneeze.
Hello, B. I'm Bruce, and my idea is an app that shouts "bless you" loudly every time you sneeze.
That sounds interesting. Why did you create this app?
Well, I always feel sad when no one says "bless you" after I sneeze. Now, I'll never feel sad again.
Okay, yeah, I completely understand that. Nothing makes me remember that I'm single like silence after I sneeze. But what about when you are in a quiet place like a library and the app starts shouting? Or worse, in a meeting. My boss definitely wouldn't like it.
Oh, I never thought about that.
And when I get sick and sneeze a lot, the app will shout at me all day. And when I get sick and sneeze a lot, the app will shout at me all day. That sounds seriously annoying.
You're right, B. Maybe this isn't a good idea.
I think it's still a fun and creative idea, but it's not very useful. Keep trying and you'll create something better. Thanks for listening to Ideas with B. See you next time.